This is going to be a good episode, no?
So hello guys, welcome to the Mean Show. I'm Aman and don't be mean. I have a non-medical and I'm currently an NDA aspirant.
NDA aspirant हो तो आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? पेपर है आपका तो?
I think मेरे को यहाँ पे जो मुझे लगा था, I don't know if that's true. तो मेरे को exposure मिलेगा, which will help me to grow as a cadet. No, as a cadet.
So I stopped swimming for some time because I was so hairy. I feel like, oh shit, what if someone sees me and say, bro, pehle kata.
We both have been bullied for a similar thing. It's not acting the stereotypical roles you are given as a gender. There have been a time our teachers in our school, they've stopped me and told me, you should walk more like a girl. These were the exact words that were used.
Okay.
So I think I find it very weird. Who is defining how a girl walks, how a boy walks? I think let your
अच्छा तुम बताओगे क्या बताना चाहिए पेरेंट्स को? चलो आओ यहाँ से, चलो get lost.
Don't be mean.
Please go. Hello everyone, welcome to a Mean Show. I am your host Aman Chotani and today we have Shashwat and
Hi, I'm Ananya.
welcome to the show. Oh shit. Let's start the show and don't be mean. Okay, introduce yourself. What do you guys do?
Alright, so I'm currently studying in 12th standard. I have a non-medical and I'm currently an NDA aspirant. So I'll give the exam to get into the Indian Air Force and serve as a flying officer there. So I'm currently preparing for that.
When are you joining? Next month?
No, first I'll have to give the exam.
No, it looks like you're so confident that you're joining next month. But anyhow, very
Confidence
good.
is key.
Confidence is the key.
Yeah.
This is going to be a good episode, no? Okay, now you.
Hi, my name is Shashwat Mathur. I am in 12th grade and I have commerce without maths.
How come you are you, what's that called? Sheep in a... Black sheep
Yeah.
in a, all engineers are here and
All
you're the one-
engineers and I am a
commerce. Okay.
Without maths.
Without maths. I was commerce with maths, at least. Anyhow, yes, tell me more.
My hobbies are dancing, acting sometimes,
Oh wow.
and roaming
Acting.
out with
Did you say
friends.
acting?
Acting.
Like what do you act like? Some proper as in
camera,
Sometimes on camera.
on
There's-
camera.
On camera.
Like you guys are making short film YouTube channel?
No.
What?
We
Instagram.
Instagram videos. वैसे I'm a very over dramatic person, तो out of the blue कहीं भी कुछ भी शुरू हो जाता है.
Oh. यहाँ शुरू करो मतलब.
अच्छा.
We want to know some stories.
ठीक है.
Anything would you like to share about?
Alright, so I like all things fun. I am generally a very expressive person, so I like hanging out. I'm a very social person, I'm an extrovert. I like cooking, I like writing. So
Then why didn't you come here alone in a way? I'm just asking solo. Why you're so confident about so many things? Why did you come solo?
I don't think confidence and not coming solo are the same thing.
No, I'm just asking just a way that I wanted you to talk to individually if you wanted to do
So
it.
we can do one individual episode also.
I mean, इतना time नहीं है हमारे पास. But anyway,
Don't be mean.
that's the show about. That's me.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you guys want to do in life? What any goals or anything?
As I said, I have commerce without maths. तो
No goals.
तो
No
अभी वही सोच रहे क्या करना है, but I'm thinking of doing mass comm and journalism.
Oh, that's how जिसको acting करनी हो या
हाँ.
जिसको सब करना हो.
हाँ.
That's to give you a basic idea of everything.
हाँ.
The mass communication as a good course. I also did the same. Cinema and mass communication. I had a dual fake.
Personality.
No, not personality. Come on.
अच्छा.
Dual certification in the college. Who said dual personality?
Don't be mean.
But I have many personalities rather than dual. But yeah.
Alright, so basically I told you what I want to do. And so the thing with that is it's a very competitive field.
And?
So the thing is, out of everyone who's trying to get in, only 2 people go, like 2 women. So that is the selection rate. So I'm currently preparing for that, but otherwise I'm passionate for serving. So if not Air Force, I'll maybe try for another defense force, maybe army or something else like that.
Why? How did you come to this? Which movie you watched?
No, I didn't watch a movie. It will sound very dramatic, but I think since I was small, I've seen people around me and people I love, they are also serving the forces, a few of them.
Acha,
So-
so you're from a army background family?
Not exactly, but yeah, The person I'm
Known.
most closest to is
There are.
a serving officer. So I think seeing that, and when I was young, I wanted to, do what he's doing and to follow the footsteps. But eventually, as I grew up, I realized, I read more about it, and I realized that I really do want to do this. And there is a passion in it, I feel. I consider myself a patriotic person. But the thing is, you can't express patriotism. It is, again, it will sound very cliche, but every time you see a flag, you have that, sudden adrenaline rush maybe, or you have the goosebumps. So yeah, I think that is what it is.
Color.
Blue.
Blue.
Okay. Ice.
Cold.
White.
आइसक्रीम कोई नहीं बोलता यार. मैं तो मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा आइसक्रीम आ रही होती है. ओके. गेम.
PUBG.
Basketball.
Vacation.
Beaches.
Tranquil.
Weather.
Hot.
Humid.
Boys.
Why will I think about that?
I'm asking you. You don't have to think about it. You just need to reply me with one word.
Friends.
Bros.
Girlfriend.
None. None.
I don't have a girlfriend. Momaya.
You don't have a girlfriend. What do you mean? You must have many girlfriends, no? Your girlfriends are your friends.
Yeah,
no?
definitely.
What's that mean?
No, I think girlfriends mean girls who are your friends.
What does friendship mean to you?
Strong.
I think peaceful, easy. Yeah, and I think it shouldn't be, it should be effortless.
Such a right word to use for a friendship. Effortless. If you have to effort, as in make a lot of effort, then it's not friendship. Too good. K-pop.
Nah, not interested.
Old news.
Social media.
Instagram.
Mixed feelings, weird.
Today is your day. Be an actor. Mimic. Oh, wow.
So organic.
So, you are mimicking kind of me.
Hi, this is Aman Chotani, and we are on the Mean Show. And don't be mean.
Ask him a question as in,
Okay.
this is your time.
यहाँ पे आना क्यों है आपको?
कहाँ पे?
इस शो पे.
Oh, मेरे को. अच्छा, I am pretending
हाँ,
to be.
you are pretending to me.
See, I was bored at home. And आंटी ने मेरे को बोला कि कहीं कुछ शो है YouTube पे दिखोगे. And of course मेरे को तो YouTube पे आना ही है. मैं तो एक्टर बनना है मुझे, तो मेरे को गेम. मुझे पता नहीं था इसका मीन शो का, क्योंकि I don't know you who are you. So I felt like I just come and have food, play. That's it, maybe.
That's great.
Yeah. Why are you on this show? He's asking.
Why are you on this show? आपको तो आप तो NDA एस्पिरेंट हो, यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? That's true.
अरे, being an NDA aspirant doesn't mean कि मैं podcast नहीं कर सकती. I think I have a lot
I
to
think
say.
आप उसके बाद कुछ नहीं कर सकते एंडी के बाद. That's what you meant.
तो उससे पहले तो कर सकती हूँ.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि NDA एस्पिरेंट हो तो आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? NDA पे ध्यान दो ना, यहाँ पे क्या टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो? पेपर है आपका तो.
I think मेरे को यहाँ पे जो मुझे लगा था, I don't know if that's true. तो मेरे को exposure मिलेगा, which will help me to grow as a cadet. No, as a cadet in general.
Sorry, I am with you. He's
Yeah,
He
you
is the
can't
main
change
one.
things. He's the main one.
yeah, she's right.
अच्छा.
Can I ask you a question now?
नहीं, मैं होस्ट हूँ, आप होस्ट हो,
Don't be mean.
तो मैंने आपको चॉइस नहीं दी आपको पूछने
this
की.
host is as good.
So why don't you go and make her? I think
I
she
love
will
that.
be more. Some what's good name again?
शाश्वत.
Shashwat. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Can we start?
Yeah.
All right. Action. So hello guys, welcome to the Mean Show. I'm Aman and don't be mean. So today I have your name.
Aman. Oh, sorry. What's my name?
अनन्या मेहरा.
Ananya Mehra.
What a great name. I really love your name. And you?
शाश्वत माची.
All right. So what do you think of this? Do you think I've done a good job?
I think you have done a good job.
Yeah, could have been better, but
Yeah.
it's okay.
Do you see the wordplay? I'm guessing it is the wordplay. A Mean Show. My name is Aman.
You got it.
You know?
Yeah, that's the reason.
So what do you want to do in life?
I think I want to fly.
इतना टाइम नहीं, चलो भागो यहाँ से.
फ्लाई करने के लिए थोड़ा तो टाइम लगेगा.
अरे फ्लाई करने के लिए टाइम लगेगा,
I
बोलने
want
के
to
लिए
be NDA. I want to do NDA.
ऑलराइट.
What do you want? She does. What
मैं
he
तो
does.
वही कर रहा हूँ जो यहाँ पे करना है मेरे को.
ड्रामा.
Drama.
ड्रामा तो मैं 24 घंटे ही करता हूँ, तो वही आप बस कैमरे के सामने करूँगा और क्या.
ऑलराइट, ग्रेट. So can I play a game with you guys? Alright. But I don't know any game. Okay, I'll ask you. Alright. I'll ask you a rapid fire question. Okay. Oh my god, I could have read from this far. Alright, so I'll ask. What
It's a good
is.
acting, huh?
I'm still in character.
Yeah.
So, what is your take on mental health?
I am still improving from my own and mental health. So it's a long journey. I feel came a long way. Still have to cover a lot of traumas of my own and give traumas to others. So it's a very long journey.
Part of the way.
Part of the way. Yes.
So, but good that you've started on the journey. No?
Yeah.
That's great.
I'm proud of myself.
मेरा मोटो तो बस यही है कि अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ मत ख़राब करो. दूसरों की चाहे तुम जितनी कर सकते हो करो, अपनी रहने दो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अपनी ज़िंदगी में प्रॉब्लम्स मत रखो. दूसरों में अगर दूसरों की ज़िंदगी में तुम प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो तो कर दो.
अच्छी बात है.
कर दो, क्या जा रहा है.
No.
I
Don't
think
do
from your answer, the takeaway is don't be mean,
हाँ.
this. But be mean.
but be mean. All right. That is it for the rapid fire. Thank you.
One question: what message do you want to give to parents? As in, not your parents, generally to parents.
I think everything you're asking me, I'm taking it out of my own life. So I think to parents, I think just, what you are is what your child will be eventually. And what I mean by
Oh
that
wow,
is,
that's such a nice thing to say.
what you see, what you perceive at your home at grassroots level is what you do in the world when you go out, and that is how your moral system and your life is based. Because at the end of the day, parents are the ones who are shaping your lives. So if you see your parents acting a certain way and you think that's something you want to pick for yourself for your life, I think so parents have to be very careful what and how they are in front of their children, and what values do they want to give out to the children, and then through the children to the world in general.
What's your perspective about it?
I think the parents should not pressurize their child to do something which the child doesn't want to. मतलब if उसको पढ़ने का मन नहीं है, and if their choice is different from other people, from other children, कि कुछ और करने का मन है. अगर for example me, I don't enjoy studying, but I enjoy being on stage, being in front of the camera, yeah, XYZ other extracurricular activities. I think they should help them grow. And
Are your parents?
हाँ, they are very supportive of this, and इसीलिए उन्होंने बोल दिया कि तुम journalism कर सकते हो, because they know कि पढ़ाई is not my thing, but if I'll do what I like and जो मेरे को मन कर रहा है करने का, I'll excel in it. So yeah, that's that.
And they support you fully.
They support
and you
me
are happy.
fully. Yeah.
Super good, super good. What about you, your parents?
So,
Of
as
course.
he said, parents, it's very important for parents to not give into societal norms that, a certain thing you have to do. If it's engineering or doctor, then अच्छा वही बनना है. I think let your
अच्छा,
child.
तुम बताओगे क्या बताना चाहिए पेरेंट्स को. चलो आओ यहाँ पे. चलो, get lost.
Don't be mean.
Please go. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Let's play fair, huh? One time.
Yeah.
वो मेरा कहाँ गया ये? एक तो गायब है वैसे.
She has two.
मैं तो खड़ा ही हो जाता हूँ ना. देख लेता हूँ ये लोग अपने आप से खेल रहे हैं. अब तो पता नहीं किसमें 3 आ गए, 2 आ गए, कैसे होगा. मुझे लग रहा है मैं फिर भी इसे फास्ट बना दूंगा। हाँ मैं यहाँ बना दूँ।
ये क्या चीज़ है?
Have you ever been bullied?
Yes, yes, I have been bullied.
And what is that?
Sorry?
What's that about? If you would like to share what really happened.
For the way I act, yeah, for the people, for the way I am with everyone.
What do you mean?
Like for some certain aspects of me, for कि जैसे
You're a
मैं-
soft spoken?
थोड़ा
Is that-
सॉफ्ट स्पोकन बट मतलब सबके साथ सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, जिन लोगों के साथ कंफर्ट प्लेस है उनके साथ सब जानते हैं, और कि द वे आई एम विद एवरीवन थोड़ा आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इट, बट हाँ हुआ हूँ,
Okay.
बट आई हैव लर्नड हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट एंड नॉट गेट अफेक्टेड बाय इट.
Okay. You?
So I think one thing we both do agree upon, we both have been bullied for a similar thing. It's not acting the stereotypical roles you are given as a gender. So if he wants to dance or if he's feminine, he's getting bullied for that. Or if I walk with a certain way, like if I'm walking with power, if I'm not, walking very ऐसे आराम से मटक के, and just to share it with you, there have been a time our teachers in our school, they've stopped me and told me, you should walk more like a girl. These were the exact words that were used.
Okay.
So I think I find it very weird. Who is defining how a girl walks, how a boy walks? So I think that is it.
By the way, what you're wearing is very nice.
Thank you so much.
And don't worry about it, what they are saying. And I also feel it sometime that my daughter looks like me, what I feel. So I feel, what if someone...
Does she also have a beard?
Of course not. Abhi to she's very young. Maybe when she grow up, you never know. But that someone will tell her, oh, you look like your dad, or maybe like a boy or a male, So how will she react on it? So
I think
there is a way of handling
it's
it.
the
Or
way you own up to it. If someone says to me that I act a certain way, I do not act like most girls, then I think I'm unique in that way. If I don't like things that every girl likes, if I'm, as a kid I was not into any Barbies or anything, I don't think that makes me a target to be bullied. I think I'm unique for that. And for people who do say that, I think it affects, you don't know what will affect a person in what way. You say it as a joke, but that person might be very insecure about it, and maybe that's what hits them.
I think they themselves are insecure about themselves.
Yes.
Because I don't think they are over here talking with you. Or I feel तुम अपने काम से काम रखो, मैं ठीक हो जैसा हूँ. I don't care about you. तुम अपना काम करो.
But in the longer run, do you feel this should change?
I think it should change, but it's the mindset, और कह सकते हैं कि how people have been brought up. उनके पहले के जनरेशन से भी उनको वैसे ही उनको बताया गया कि ये ऐसे एक्ट करेगा, ये ऐसे एक्ट करेगा, या कौन कैसे स्टेरियोटिपिकल, जैसे इसने बोला कि स्टेरियोटिपिकल माइंडसेट है सबका, वैसे ही उनको भी थोड़ा बताने को होगा कि उनको जब तक तुम लोग बताओगे नहीं कि इट शुड नॉट बी ऐसे पकड़ के नहीं रखना, इट्स सबको सारे चांसेस मिलने चाहिए. तो आई थिंक इट शुड चेंज.
That's what we are trying to do through our show. What everyone is asking, why this show? I think just being as in freedom. What is freedom? When we talk about it, when you go out and meet few people and feel good about it, and maybe some days you go and you don't feel good about it. It's more about even about choosing your friends, how important it is in life. Whosoever is appreciate you all the time, we should consider them as our friends rather than other people, So
But I think it does affect people, as much as we say that we should stand up to our bullies or not, give too much thought to what people say. I think it does affect you. So for me, growing up, I think I was a very hairy child. So a lot of
even
people,
my daughter, I feel.
And I think every girl when she's young, especially Indians, are hairy. So a lot of kids in the class used to tease me a lot, and I think that was something I was most insecure about. So I spent a lot of time trying to hide it, or maybe just rushing into getting it removed or something. But eventually, and that is, people shape you, because I am now not comfortable about something that is a part of me. So I think that is, people are changing who I am.
That's so true. I stopped swimming for some time because I was so hairy. I feel like, oh shit, what if someone sees me and say, bro, pehle kata and, all these things. So it's
people, it does affect you, and people change, and it takes a piece of you, and what you are as a person, and then you're not your most comfortable self. So eventually you do try to, get rid of it, and then you don't think of it as much. But I think eventually at some point it affects everyone.
Yeah, someone called me Bal Kalakar for a long time, and I was like, that's a good word, but a bad word too. No,
but that good,
Yeah. No, I'm saying where now I make jokes on these things. If you make jokes on yourself, so. But if other makes it while growing up, then it might somehow.
It might hurt, but तुम कैसे perceive करते हो depend करता है.
No, perceive. See, again, as you in the beginning you said, they are little bit insecure about themselves. That's why they are, throwing it on your face and trying to be mean or trying to tell you that you are bad rather than facing their problems. They are just putting their problems to you. So, would you do the same?
I don't think so. I have. हाँ, मैं अपने दोस्तों में तुम कह सकते हो, but they also know कि तुम्हारा उनके साथ comfort है, तो तुम you are not उनको मतलब तुम बुरा लगवाना नहीं चाहते, but it's just as a joke. But अगर कोई बाहर से तुमको कुछ बोलेगा तो they don't know you, they are तुम्हारे ऊपर वो ऐसे बोल रहे, तो I think that will affect me.
But sometimes friends say few
sometimes
things.
Sometimes friends also say things
which you don't like.
Which I don't like, but I think you can talk it out with them and you can sort it
Clear
out.
I think you have to, acknowledge the limit to which it is funny, and then it becomes hurtful.
So true. Very nice.
What makes, something you find funny might be something that I am the most insecure about. So that is affecting me in a very negative way, but for you it's just fun.
So true, so true. I have a small gift for you guys. Do spread our message, even when you both of you, I think, gone through with what I am talking about in this show. Yes. So you guys must. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm not gonna. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
And do spread about it, and try not to be mean, and tell everyone just don't be mean.
Don't be mean.
No?
Definitely.
That's it. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Cool. If you want to be if you want to be a part of the show, visit www.aminshow.com and don't be mean.